Map C. The Gupta were Hindus, but they also tolerated the spread of Buddhism. Indian traders introduced Buddhism to faraway places. Number 1. Gupta dynasty begins in northern India. That was in AD 320. Number 2. Tolerant Hindu rulers permit free practice of Buddhism. Number 3. Merchants spread Buddhism along the Silk Road and other trade routes. Number 4. Throughout India, most are Hindu and some Buddhist. And number 5. AD 450 through 500, Hun invasions caused empire's collapse. History through maps. Directions. Use map C, Gupta Empire and Buddhism, to answer the following questions. Letter A. What year did the Gupta dynasty begin? Letter B. How did Buddhism spread to China and Japan? Letter C. What major Buddhist site developed in Southeast Asia? Letter D. What was one major Buddhism site that developed in China? Letter E. What islands did Buddhism reach by AD 552? And letter F. What group caused the collapse of the Gupta Empire? Stop here. The next section is optional.